Welcome dear students in today's science period. Good afternoon dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 13, the sun and the moon. So students, let's start the chapter.
First of all, let us learn about heavenly bodies. Okay. अच्छा बच्चों, मेरे को ये बात बताओ कि what all things you see in the sky. So you see a huge ball of light, right? And that huge ball of light is called sun, which shines brightly in the sky every morning. So you see sun, and apart from sun, at night, what else do we see? We see the moon and the countless stars. Okay. So children, now the sun, the moon and the stars, they all are what? Heavenly bodies. They all are heavenly bodies. So you know what are heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon and the stars. Right? Now children, let's move to the next slide. What is a solar system? Children, the sun and its family, they form a solar system. Okay, the sun and its family. अब sun और उसके family में क्या कौन कौन आते हैं? See, let us see now. The family of the sun includes the sun itself. ठीक है, sun तो आता ही है. Apart from sun, who all comes? The 8 planets. Okay, the family of the sun includes the sun, the 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. ठीक है, satellite means the moon of the 8 planets. Okay, so who all comes under the family of sun? The sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. Now children, let us know the definition of satellite. A satellite is a moon that orbits a planet or star. Okay. Earth also have one natural satellite, and that is moon, which revolves around the earth, right? So you've understood that what is the solar system? Solar system is basically the sun and its family. Okay, and who all comes under the family of sun? The sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite of these 8 planets. Children, now let us know about planets. Okay, what are planets, children? A planet is a large heavenly body. Okay, it is a large heavenly body and it is made of rocks and gases, and that orbits around the sun. Fine. It is a large heavenly body. और ये किसका बना होता है बच्चों? It is made up of rocks and gases. And children, the planets, they orbit around the sun. Okay. Children, planets are also stars. Okay. And children, how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets of the solar system. Okay. Now children, you see, this is the picture. This yellow part is the sun. Okay. After that, the first planet is Mercury. Then here it is Venus. Then after Venus, Earth, on which we all live. That is where human beings are shown on the planet Earth. Then is children Mars. Okay. Then which planet comes? Jupiter. See how big it is when we compare it to the size of Earth. है ना, कितना बड़ा है Jupiter. Then which planet comes? Saturn. Okay, and you can also see a ring around a Saturn. This is an imaginary ring. Okay, this is a ring of dust and gases. So then after Saturn, which planet comes? Uranus. Okay, and after Uranus, Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay? Children, do you know that earlier there were 9 planets? ठीक है, नेपच्यून के बाद भी एक प्लैनेट था और उसका नाम क्या था? प्लूटो. देखो, ये मैंने पहले की पिक्चर दिखाई है. यहाँ पे नेपच्यून है ना? इन दिस इमेज यू कैन सी नेपच्यून इज देयर एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज वन मोर प्लैनेट and its name was Pluto. But children, you can see the size of Pluto. It is very small, है ना? तो इसीलिए इसको जो स्टेटस मिला था प्लैनेट का, it got, its status has been officially changed now from a planet to a dwarf planet. Okay, to a dwarf planet. डॉर्फ प्लैनेट मतलब बहुत ही छोटा प्लैनेट. इसीलिए अब हम इसको प्लैनेट्स के उसमें काउंट नहीं करते. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्लैनेट एनीमोर एंड इट हैज बीन रिसेंटली ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ प्लैनेट्स इन द सोलर सिस्टम. ओके, so children, earlier there were 9 planets, but now we have just 8 planets till Neptune. Why Pluto is not included? Because it is a very small planet and that is why it got dropped from the list of planets. Okay, and now it is called the dwarf planet. Dwarf matlab chota, tiny. Okay, dwarf matlab chota. Children, now let us know about sun. Children, you all know that sun is the center of the solar system, है ना? You see in the image that all the planets are revolving around the sun and sun is in the center. ठीक है? And all the planets revolve around the sun. Children, the planets, the Earth, Mars, Mercury, Venus, they have no light of their own. ठीक है? In fact, none of the stars have their light of their own. अब जो स्टार्स जो चमकते हैं, जो प्लैनेट्स जो शाइन करते हैं, वो कैसे शाइन करते हैं बच्चों? दे गेट हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. ओके, दे गेट हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. सो नाउ you know about sun also. Now children, let us quickly revise what we learned today. We learned about heavenly bodies, है ना? The sun, the moon and the countless stars. They are all heavenly bodies. Then children, we learnt about solar system. Solar system is basically the sun and its family. And who all are there in this family of sun? Sun itself, 8 planets and the satellite which revolve around the sun. Then children, we learnt about planets. That what are planets? These are the heavenly bodies and these are made up of what? Rock and gases. Okay, and they orbit around the sun. How many planets are there, children? There are 8 planets. But earlier, how many planets we had? We had 9 planets. And the 9th planet name was Pluto. But अभी उसको हटा दिया गया है planet के list से. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत ही छोटा है, इसीलिए. ठीक है? Then children, in the end, we learnt about sun. Sun क्या है? It is the center of the solar system. And all the planets, they revolve around the sun. Children, all the planets, they do not have their lights and heat of their own. So they get the heat and light from the sun. Okay?
So, for reading the chapter, take out your science textbook. Chapter number 13, page number 125. The sun and the moon. You know, the sun is the closest star to the earth. The sun gives out heat and light. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of fire. You will learn about solar system, the moon, phases of the moon. Now, page number 126. A large round natural body that revolves around a star is called a planet. The sun is a star. The sun has 8 planets revolving around it. Most of these planets have one or many moons. The sun, its 8 planets, and the moons of these planets form the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 8 planets of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest and Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Now see students, here the diagram of the solar system is given. The sun. The sun is a star. It is like a big ball of fire. It burns all the time and produces light and heat. At night, the sun is not above us. It is on the other side of the earth. So, the sky above us is dark and we are able to see many stars in the night sky. Did you know? The moon does not have any atmosphere. This is why the moon is a quiet and soundless place. Sound needs some medium to travel. On the earth, the medium is its atmosphere, the layer of air. So, that's all for today. Have a nice day, students. Take care. Bye.